Hi viewers, Namaste. In this video, we will learn about channels, price channels. So, welcome to the world of Get Ready. First, what is a channel? Price channel in specific. It is a trading range between support and resistance levels that a security's price has been oscillating for a specific period of time. In other way, we can say that a channel is a chart pattern and is a type of technical analysis in which the price movement is contained in between the two parallel trend lines. It is very easy to notice this pattern in real charts once you know the basics of it, which you will get from this video. The one thing you must be very much aware before understanding about these is support and resistance concept, both horizontal and diagonal. Let's quickly see about this diagonal support and resistance and very importantly trend lines. In an uptrend, that is every swing forming higher highs and higher lows, trend line here is the line which connects the extreme lows in the chart area. This is a support line too, diagonal support line. Two touches are minimum to make it valid and third touch will make this trend line strong. Next, in a downtrend, trend line will be the line which connects the extreme tops in the chart area. This will also act as diagonal resistance. Same here. After 3 touches of the line, this will act as a strong resistance line and you can get a good short trade opportunities too. Now, to our main concept, price channels. If at all a price is going in sideways, that is, almost every swing is having same lows and same highs, we can draw a line connecting lows, which is a support line, and a line connecting tops, which will be a resistance line. If these two lines are parallel to each other, almost parallel is also okay, then this area in between these two lines is called as a channel. To be specific, horizontal channel, as both lines are horizontal. So simple. Next, in an uptrend, that is every swing forming higher highs and higher lows, the trend line is the support line. If we connect the tops of every swing and draw a line, we will get the resistance line. When this trend line, that is support line, and the resistance line are parallel to each other or almost parallel, then this area in between these two lines is called as an ascending channel. Similarly, in a downtrend, the trend line is the resistance line, and if the support line is parallel to it, then the area in between these lines is called as descending channel. So simple. Now, let us check these 3 channels on charts. Let us know how to identify them, how to confirm them, and of course, how to trade with them. Before that, please make sure you follow these rules before confirming that a channel has occurred in a chart. For a channel to be reliable and valid, it is extremely important that both the upper and the bottom trend line should be parallel to each other. Small deviation is okay. There should be a proper visible gap between these two lines. There should be at least 2 peaks in both the lines. More the best. And spacing between the touches should be as uniform as possible. Okay, let's see these on charts. First, horizontal channel. Identification part. After some practice, you should be able to do the identification part with your naked eyes. You must be in a position to identify this sideways movement which may have horizontal support and horizontal resistance lines. This is looking like a horizontal channel, right? To confirm it, let's plot the horizontal support line. Okay, to complete the channel, let's draw a resistance line. This line looks like a good resistance line. So, this area between these two channels is nothing but a horizontal channel. How to trade these, we will see in this video end. Now, let us see about a channel in a downtrend. In a downtrend, trend line will be support line. Those who said no will get a A+. We discussed this, right? In a downtrend, trend line will be the line connecting the tops, resistance line. I think this is a good resistance line. Now, to draw a support line and complete the channel, you can draw a line connecting lows which might not be the parallel to this line. But that doesn't become a channel. Small note here. Don't force the other line to be parallel to the trend line. Small deviation is okay, but If we don't get two parallel lines when we connect the tops and lows, that hints us that this is not a channel. So analysis in this aspect will be a waste of time. So the other way of confirming the channel is draw a parallel line to this resistance line and see if it is connecting the maximum lows. To do it in this Fire's web platform, right click on this line and click on clone. You can also copy and paste it. Okay, now where to connect this line is a challenge. Simply place this line which connects the maximum lows. For me, I think this will be a good line. You can say that the price here crossed the line, but it's okay. Those can be treated as fake shootouts. The main requirement for a trend line is that the price should not close on the other side of it. But the wicks are okay. Small fakeouts like here is also okay, but should not frequently break it. If it frequently occurs, then it doesn't qualify for a trend line. Okay, once this parallel line connected the lows, we can confirm it as a channel, and this is a descending channel. One important thing you need to keep in mind is that descending channels are mostly bullish in nature. The price moves in this channel pattern and at some time breaks out of this channel from the resistance area and price continues its main trend. As we have discussed the breakouts, let us see the breakout trading strategy. As said, in a descending channel, it is better to look for a breakout on the upper side. Whenever the price moves out of this channel from the resistance area, you can trade in the favor of the direction. In this example, we can go long from here. Stop loss will be the previous swing's low. Target will be the height of this channel. Draw the line to measure the height. Drag it to the breakout area. The line's low should touch the top of the channel where the breakout happened, and the top of this line will be the price of your target. Take profit. You can exit here, or if the momentum is continuing, you can trail your stop loss there and can be more in the trade, not risking your profit. I will now introduce you to an excellent tool which will be helpful to draw these channels. In this menu, select this parallel channel. Select a point which you intend to start a line. Next, click on any place in the chart where the line touches maximum points. This is your trend line. Next, drag the mouse and click on the place where it connects the maximum lows. See, you have drawn a descending channel very easily. You can change the color and style of these channels too. Out of many advantages of this Fire Securities, this world-class chatting platform FireSwap is unique. You can find great tools which you can customize and trade accordingly. If you want to know more about Fire Securities, please do visit our playlist and watch all of our videos in it. If at any point you wish to open your free account with no annual maintenance charges with Fire Securities, please click on the link in the description box or the comment section below and submit your details on the page opened. Our Fire's team will contact you and will open your account. Now, let us see an uptrend. 15 minutes chart on Nifty Bank. In an uptrend, the trend line will be the line connecting lows, support line. Let us take a parallel channel tool and draw a line which connects the maximum lows. Let's settle it for here. Now, drag the mouse and click on the point where it connects the maximum highs. This is your ascending channel. Now, since you know that in a channel the price moves in between the two lines, you can be a range trader too. For range trading, you can short here and take profit here, or if you got this buying opportunity, you can go long here and can take profit here. Let's change the color here too. In this range trades, for entries, you can take confirmations of candles closing in the direction of your anticipated movement and can take your positions. Another way, most rewarding way from most traders' point of view is to keep a limit entry order. In this case, few pips above the drawn trend line. The advantage of this is even on sudden moves, you can get a fill here. For take profits, it is better to keep a pending order too. In this case, few pips below this line. Stop loss should be few pips below the previous swing's low. Now, see here. This is a breakout. We already saw how to trade a breakout. Important point to remember here is These ascending channels are mostly bearish in nature, so we can expect a breakout below this channel. Most of the times, the breakout retests the support line and again continues its fall. So you can take one more trade there too. This viewers is about price channels. If you have any queries or doubts, please write in the comments in this video. If you wish to be a pro in trading from charts point of view, please consider opening an account with Fire Securities Private Limited. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.